Kids learning English.
He listens to music while studying.
He listens to music while studying.
I run in the park every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
She jumps over the puddle.
She jumps over the puddle.
He writes in his journal every night.
He writes in his journal every night.
They play soccer after school.
They play soccer after school.
We walk to the store together.
We walk to the store together.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
She reads a book before bed.
She reads a book before bed.
They dance at the party.
They dance at the party.
We cook dinner on weekends.
We cook dinner on weekends.
I draw pictures in my notebook.
I draw pictures in my notebook.
She swims in the pool during summer.
She swims in the pool during summer.
He cleans his room every Saturday.
He cleans his room every Saturday.
They watch movies on Friday nights.
They watch movies on Friday nights.
We travel to new places every year.
We travel to new places every year.
I help my friend with homework.
I help my friend with homework.
She sings in the school choir.
She sings in the school choir.
He rides his cycle to school.
He rides his cycle to school.
They shop for groceries on Sundays.
They shop for groceries on Sundays.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
We celebrate birthdays with cake.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
She takes a walk in the evening.
She takes a walk in the evening.
He plays video games after school.
He plays video games after school.
They visit their grandparents on weekends.
They visit their grandparents on weekends.
We enjoy picnics in the park.
We enjoy picnics in the park.
I write letters to my friends.
I write letters to my friends.
She bakes cookies for the bake sale.
She bakes cookies for the bake sale.
He paints pictures in his art class.
He paints pictures in his art class.
They laugh at funny jokes.
They laugh at funny jokes.
I study for my tests every night.
I study for my tests every night.
She helps her little brother with his homework.
She helps her little brother with his homework.
They play board games on rainy days.
They play board games on rainy days.
She organizes her desk every week.
She organizes her desk every week.
He practices the piano daily.
He practices the piano daily.
They take photos during their trips.
They take photos during their trips.
We relax on the weekends.
We relax on the weekends.
I gather my friends for a movie night.
I gather my friends for a movie night.
She teaches her classmates new things.
She teaches her classmates new things.
He fixes his cycle when it breaks.
He fixes his cycle when it breaks.
They celebrate holidays with family.
They celebrate holidays with family.
We enjoy reading stories together.
We enjoy reading stories together.
She collects stamps from different countries.
She collects stamps from different countries.
He runs in the school track team.
He runs in the school track team.
They volunteer at the local shelter.
They volunteer at the local shelter.
We meditate to feel calm.
We meditate to feel calm.